When you are starting to grow, did you start with 10 acres or what? The farmers we are growing with, everyone has a small portion, but when we grow together, it becomes a big thing. The more farmers we have, the more we harvest. So if you're there and you're a farmer, do not get scared. You can grow on your small portion. For example, our farmers, one can harvest 10 basins and they will bring it. And then another will have 20 basins, another will have 100 basins. Even there are those who have grown one basin or two. You can start with what you have, and then you can grow together with other farmers. When you bring what you have produced and the other brings what they have produced, together we produce more.